Three, two, one.
Hi everyone, my name is Marvin Lola and welcome to Bimsu and Luke.
Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University is the state university system serving the province of La Union. Its main autonomous unit is in Bacnotan. It was created by then President Ferdinand Marcos by using Presidential Decree 1778 to combine a number of state-run schools in La Union into State College in 1981. Like Mariano Marcos State University in Ilocos Norte, it is named for the former President Father Mariano Marcos. Bimsu was established in January 15, 1981. It has 4 campuses in different parts of La Union, which are the North La Union Campus, or the main campus located in Bacnotan, La Union, Mid La Union Campus located in San Fernando, La Union, South La Union Campus located in Agoo, La Union, and Open University System located in San Fernando, La Union. It is indeed a very beautiful university, whereas the president of the university down to the lowest position are all kind, especially teachers. They were very approachable and helpful, but the most important thing about teachers is that they will never let you left behind. Our university offers a lot of programs such as why Bimsu? Because they produce professionals.